Welcome to our DIY tutorial on how to use the XL4015 step-down converter. With this converter, you are able to step down higher voltage input to lower voltage output. So let's get started. Let's start by gathering some information about the circuit board. The XL4015 is a commonly used step-down converter capable of 5 amps load up to 36 volts, and it is used in various DIY projects. The circuit board has an input connector where the power supply is connected, an output connector for the load, and the potentiometer for setting the desired output. To connect the circuit board to the power supply, we will use a 2-wire cable, ensuring the correct polarity. Similarly, we will connect the output connector using the same method. Once both ends are connected, we will use a voltage reading device to measure the output voltage. Next, we will connect the power supply and turn it on, setting the desired voltage on the power supply, 15 volts in this case. We will observe the output voltage on the reading device and make adjustments using a small screwdriver, either clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on whether we need to increase or decrease the output voltage. After testing this, we will turn off the power supply and connect the load to the circuit board, such a DC motor, using the same connector as the reading device. Turn power supply on again, and we can test the circuit by changing the value of the potentiometer, which will affect the speed of the motor. We can go down to 1.25 volts and up to 36 volts. Or in my case, to 15 volts. In conclusion, this circuit board is simple to use and provides easy control over the output voltage for various applications. Stay tuned for our next tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.